Hello friends, welcome to 31 Days of Resinween. How did I already get resin on this? I don't know. Anyway, I got these molds recently. I can't remember if I've showed them to you guys, but they're really cool. We've got an anatomical heart, if my mouth would work, and a brain, which I clearly don't have right now. Got a couple of bats and some skulls and some more skulls and another skull. This is a bird skull, I think. Fingers and a spider. The fingers one is super funny. And then this spider one, which I'm not sure that I'm going to pour. I just don't think it'll work. But anyway, this is going to be a super simple one. I'm pouring these for another video during Resinween. As I've stated before, there will be some larger projects and some smaller projects. Today is a smaller project, but I'm excited to see how these turn out. Okay, so stick around. I'm going to get my resin warmed up. We'll get pouring, and then I'll be back for the deep mold. All right? All right, let's hang out. we see how these turned out? I'm excited. I think I'm going to leave the brain and the heart to last. I couldn't really get it on camera, but I did do this one as well. Let's see how this turned out. I'm super curious. Okay. I did miss a little bit right there, but that's not bad. What do you guys think? Okay. Also missed a little bit here. Oh! I didn't realize it was a skull on the spider's body. It's kind of cool. And then there's a bubble in here. A little bit of extra overhang. Okay. Well, not my favorite. What is that? It's like the world's tiniest skull right here. Okay. So yes. Does it work? Yes. Will I use this again? Probably not. Okay. Let's move on to this spider. Ooh, cool. That's kind of cool looking. Okay. The bats. I'm trying to remember what this reminds me of. Maybe Hotel Transylvania? Okay. And this one. You know, I gotta be honest, I kind of wish that they didn't have the faces on it. They were like anatomically correct bats. Okay. This I'm really excited to see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's really cool looking. So all of these are matte, which is fine. The skulls, very nice. Let's do the fingers. Almost have an entire hand here. So here's the fingers. Cool. Very realistic looking. I'm probably going to, when I use these for what I'm going to use them for, I'm probably going to paint red right here on the tips. Yeah. Okay, let's grab the brain. Brain is really cool looking. Alright. And here's what I've all been waiting for. The heart. Yeah, that's really cool. I have a little extra here on this edge. But, yeah, that's really cool, actually. I would actually like to drill a hole in it and make it like a pendant. I mean, it's huge, right? For reference, here's my mouse. So, I mean, it's not huge, but it's pretty big. So, yeah, that's today's video. Some interesting pieces. I think my favorite is probably the heart and the bird skull. The fingers are really cool, but I do wish that I had mixed up like some fleshy tones. Yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you guys would use these for, if you would use them. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.